Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Driver Refuses to Comply with EMS, Ends Badly.
Police respond to a single vehicle crash and find the driver, who immediately resists medical aid, yells slurs at the police, and intentionally spits on the officer while still seated in the vehicle.
Hello.
What?
I don't know. I'm not saying anything anyway.
You just said what? We're here because you hit a
Who
police.
are you?
I'm the police.
Perfect. Or do you f***ing special?
Where are you coming from tonight?
I don't know. Who are you?
What does my chest say? It says police. You're being rude.
Bro, don't talk to me.
You're being rude.
Don't talk to me, bro. You special? You like a big boy? Are you? Okay.
You're going down a road you don't want to go down.
I don't even know who you are.
It says police.
Who are you?
Look.
Perfect. You think
Police.
you're special? Tough guy? I know who the f*** you are.
Who am I?
Get out my face.
Who am I?
Get out my face.
Who
You're
am
a
I?
special guy, aren't you? Get out my face, bro. Get out my face. Tough guy, get out my face. What? Get out my face. You think you're special? I'm gonna fucking sue the fuck out of you. Get out my face. Get out my face. Get out my face.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Perfect, go.
I'm gonna take your sugar real quick.
Perfect, go for it.
Just need your finger.
I don't like him. Get out my face.
Alright.
Too bad.
You're a fucking tough guy, aren't you?
Too
You're
bad.
gonna get fucking sued and you're gonna lose your job, bro.
I don't even know you.
Just like that.
No, get that stuff from me, please.
Okay.
I don't like you, bro.
I don't even know you.
What? You don't?
No.
Perfect, because I don't know you either. I'm sorry for this, but I don't like him.
I don't
You're
know
a tough
you.
guy. Powerpuff guy, aren't you?
I don't even know you.
Powerpuff guy, aren't you?
Just like that.
I'm so confused.
Yeah, I hope you are, because I'm going to sue the fuck out of you, bro.
Good.
I can't wait. I can't wait to sue the fuck out of you. Can't wait.
Do you have diabetes?
Tough guy, little Powerpuff dude.
Do you have
Little
diabetes?
Dick Bandit. Can't wait for your fucking ass to get sued.
Oh.
Please sue the fuck out of me, because I can't wait to sue the fuck.
You got an AIR?
What?
Yeah. Go get it.
Yeah, go get it. Go get it, Powerpuff dude. Go get it.
Get sugar on it.
God, you're so fucking.
Please.
You're a piece of shit. And I know you know who I am.
No, I don't.
No, you know who I am.
Who are you?
You're a fucking piece of shit.
I don't know what that
You
means.
know exactly who I am. You're my fucking best friend, my brother's best friend.
Who?
I know who the fuck you are. Don't fucking, no, not happening. Because I know.
He has to check your blood sugar.
There it is. There it is.
You just
There it
spit
is.
on me.
No, I didn't.
You just spit on me.
No, I did not.
You literally just spit on me.
You didn't
You
fucking sue
literally
me.
just spit on me.
Perfect. No, I did not. That's fine. I did not.
Get out of my car.
That's fine. I did not.
Relax.
I cannot stand your guys.
Stop.
He gonna get you together now.
Oh, stop.
Oh, I can't wait for you to do it.
Stop.
That's fine. It's a girl, right? Are you a girl?
Stop.
Perfect. I know who you are. Good.
Yo, I know Body Cam Files. Y'all watch some of my videos. Yo, the logo y'all got down here in the corner, that's fire. I'm not gonna lie, cause it blends in, but like it's still y'all stamp. I like that logo. I'm sorry for you that's watching, but this is for the this is fire. I ain't gonna lie.
I know who you are. I'm telling you right now, you're fucked, bro. You're fucked. I can't wait to sue you guys. I'm telling you right now, please do this. Please do this. Please do this. I'm telling you right now, you guys are fucked.
Let them check your blood sugar.
I'm talking to you, bro.
I'm talking
I'm
to
talking to
you.
you.
She just spit on me. So.
Oh, I didn't.
You literally
Is
just
this
spit on me.
is
It's
this
on me.
camera?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yes.
Did I really?
Yes.
Oh, you're fucking getting sued, bro.
I'm getting sued because you spit on me.
You're fucking damn right I am.
You want to check our blood sugar real quick, bro? Here.
Please do, please do, please do.
Let them check it in, bro. Relax.
Please, don't fucking touch me, bro. Please do, Mr. Fucking tough guy. Please do. Please do with your fucking, please do.
What's that?
Straight to jail, or you want an ambulance?
She's gonna have to go to the hospital regardless because she was in an accident.
Don't fucking touch my tit, you fucking. I know who you are.
Stop.
You think you're a fucking tough guy when you're tattooed? You think you're a tough guy? You think you're a tough guy?
You're
You think you're a tough guy?
ridiculous, bro.
Yeah, I am. And I know you know who I am.
Who are you?
Because you saw me at the booking area. Fuck with me, bro. Fuck with me. Fuck with you, bitch.
Stop.
You.
Stop or you're gonna get wrapped up.
I don't give a fuck. I fucking will sue the fuck out of you. Stop it.
Stop.
I hate you. And you know what the fuck I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. You think you're a fucking tough guy? You think you're a tough guy?
Relax.
I don't give a fuck. You think you're a tough guy?
Relax, bro.
You think I'm a cool guy? I can fucking do this to women. You think I'm joking? You think I got tattoos and everything? You're a fucking piece of shit, bro. You're a piece of shit. You think you're cool, don't you?
You got your gloves, you can search it.
Yeah.
Oh man, she is annoying. Drunk people, man, is just dealing with them. Gotta be a nuisance. It's gotta be a pain. And one of the most disgusting things that somebody can do is spit on somebody, man. That is like, man, that'll make somebody snap. That'll really make somebody snap. So kudos for him for, having his composure and stuff like that or whatever. But I wonder what she would think when she sees this, when she sees herself on YouTube. Like, damn, is she proud of these actions, or is she like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that, because who knows how this person may actually be pretty decent, but when people are drinking alcohol or under the influence, that alters their personality and, their mood and stuff like that. So I wonder how this person, when she woke up and be like, man, let me go on YouTube and watch some body cam videos. And it's just, she sees herself. She's like, whoa, what?
I'm a cool guy. Cool, do it. You ain't gonna find nothing, bitch. You ain't gonna find nothing. Touch me. I will shoot the fuck out of you. I'm gonna fucking get you too, bitch. You think I'm joking? I'm gonna fucking get you, bitch. Relax. Fuck you, bitch. You don't think I'm gonna get you? I promise you I'm gonna get you. Promise you I'm gonna get you. I promise you. You ain't gonna find nothing. Promise you I'm gonna get you.
And she allegedly hit something down there too. So.
Oh, fuck you. I should fucking hit you, bitch.
Please stop.
No, you're a fucking piece of shit. You think you're cool? You think you're a tough guy? He thinks he works all of you motherfuckers. He thinks he's got you. Look at you right there. He thinks he has you. He's like, but how do you know my name? How do you know my name?
Because it's on your tag.
You think you're a cool guy? You think you're a cool guy? Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. You think you're somebody. You ain't gonna find shit.
She got anything on her?
Nothing. I got shit on me. Nothing, bitch. Nothing.
That's what you're going to do.
You know all your friends, all these motherfucking beautiful. Nobody likes you. Nobody likes you. Nobody fucking likes you. Nobody likes you.
Relax.
I didn't do nothing to you, bro.
Relax. No, you were fine until you spit on me, bro.
Did I? I apologize. I'll spit on you again.
Well, too late.
Just kidding.
Too late. Can you hang out with her real quick? Yeah. I've never seen her before. She seems to know me.
She knows you.
Apparently she knows you, and she does not like the way you looked at her.
Fair.
With your powder puff, though.
Yeah.
Tough guy.
I was like, dang, powder. I don't have one. Just keep your body camera on. She's fine.
I have sued, and I'm gonna you like that.
If you keep acting up, I'm gonna wrap you up in a fucking wrap because you're being.
Yeah, he probably met her at the bar. You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, we know our local officers. They go to the same bars that we go to now. Like, you know what I mean? So it's like, especially when you're maybe in a small town or something like that, they go to the same spots. They go to the same clubs. They go to the same bar. You know what I'm saying? Especially when you're younger. When you're a little older, you're probably out of the club scene and the bar scene and all that stuff. But this guy sounds young. She looks a little bit younger. You know what I mean? So they probably still in that party mode. So he probably ran into her. She remembers, but he just don't, you know what I'm saying? Because, he that guy, you know what I mean? So he running through him, man.
Ridiculous. So, you keep talking. I'm going to keep talking.
Time out, what'd you say?
I said if you touch any of these nurses or these doctors who are here to help you, you're going to catch an additional charge. You're going to jail for a felony right now. I've really never seen her before.
I know.
I'll let the other officer.
You have a little take it off. Here. What are you gonna do?
We're gonna need medical so you can make sure you're good.
Can't wait. Yeah, I feel bad for you too. I would feel bad if I was you too. Because you're a little dick bandit, aren't you? Don't touch me. You're my best friend's brother, aren't you?
I don't know.
You're a fucking piece of shit. I didn't spit, but I can pretend.
You're wild, bro.
I'm a somebody. I have a fucking
Put your
let me know. And he says that you're a piece of shit. What you gonna do, bitch?
Relax, dude.
Get the fuck out of my face.
The individual was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and 2 counts of resisting following her arrest. However, a CT scan revealed a small brain tumor that doctors stated was responsible for her violent, emotional outbursts. Due to this unique medical finding, the prosecutor officially dropped all charges.
Wow. Damn. She has a brain tumor? That sucks. Golly. All charges dropped. Oh, well. So, she got into an accident and everything. Damn, everything. Charges dropped. Wow. That's unbelievable. Anyway, I think the officer did a good job, man. I'm giving a 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did, and then I'm going to catch you in the next video.